We're going to take 3 large breaths. Big inhale, fill the belly, fill the chest. Feel the rib cage press up against your thighs. Exhale, hollow out the belly. Inhale. Exhale. From the pelvic girdle, pull it up. And exhale. Inhale. Let's press it up to our tabletop and extend our left leg forward or right fingertips, keeping our hips square to the mat. Hold here and balance. Balancing helps. To help yourself balance, you're going to want to roll both of your upper inner thighs together. That way your hips are not open. We don't want to open them. We want to keep them like this. Now we're going to touch and lift. Exhale to touch. Inhale, lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Draw it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring it out. Bring it down. Other leg. Inhale long. Hips are square. Whoops. We're going to do this first. Tap and lift. Exhale, lift. Exhale, lift. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Inhale, lengthen long. Exhale, squeeze, hold. Bring it back. Very good. Child's pose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale.